Hey, welcome back to another review. Yes, we're looking at a BOSE Soundbar Series 2. Let's take a look at the unboxing and review. Don't forget to watch to the end. It really looks cool. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Today I'm looking at the Solo Soundbar Series 2 soundbar for my Samsung TV. I wanted to have something a little bit different, a little bit better quality sound, so I'm doing an unboxing and a review on this BOSE soundbar. Got this at Costco, just so you know. It's for $1.99. This is not a sponsored ad, just so you know. I did pay for this for myself, and I am doing my own review. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate it, and I'll leave the links down below as well if you're interested in some BOSE soundbars. I think they're kind of cool and a nice product as well. All right, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so the first thing they do, they actually make it really easy. It's almost like similar to the Apple products. Really easy. Just you don't need a scissors. You just zip them open, just like you see here. That's one, and that is two. So that takes care of that. That's pretty easy. Let's open this up and let's see what's in the box. All right, I do have a BOSE system for my computer, which I really do like quite a bit. So I know BOSE has been around for a long time, and a lot of people either like or dislike them. So, you know, it's up to you. Everyone has their own preference, but we'll see how this goes. There's a little manual that's in the box. Wall bracket guide. So this does come with the wall bracket. With the Costco version, they give you the wall bracket, which is really kind of cool, and that's nice to have. Let's put it over there. Put this over here. Put this over here. It does come with the optical cable, as you can see here, so it does come with that as well. That's important. And let's take a look at the sound box, the bar itself. Let's just see what else is in the package here. We do have a power brick. We have that. We have the remote control that's all shrink wrapped and ready to go. That's in here as well. We do get the power cord. That's in there as well. Mounting screws and the brackets are in here. So I don't have to take it all apart. You know what the brackets look like. But it comes with the brackets, comes with a mounting screw, so you can actually hook it up to the wall if you want to. So that's what's in there. So let's actually take a look at move this all to the side. Let's take a look at the soundbar itself. If you guys have any questions or any comments, please leave down below. I'd love to answer any of your questions. And if you have any concerns or comments, let me know. Okay, so here is the soundbar itself. Move the stuff out of the way. First impression is, again, this is the first time I've ever had a BOSE soundbar. Kind of cool. I like it. I see two speakers here going this way and that way, so the offset. And what else do I see? Two speakers. Looks like that's about it. So we'll have to see how the sound travels to the bar itself, maybe out to the sides. That's what I see right now. Just two speakers in the middle. And then it looks like to me like maybe a 40-degree angle, approximately. They have the logo on the top here that you do not see if it's under the TV. Some of them are in the front, so it depends on the model that you have. This one here is on the top. Okay, you can see the speakers do wrap around to the side. You can see that as well. And this is a small one. This is not too big. I had one before that was just too big. It wouldn't fit under the TV. I think this is around, 32 inches, I believe. I have to double check on the specs on that. But that's the actual, I think that's the size. I'll have to look it up and let you know for sure. But let's take a look at the back of it. Okay, so underneath of the soundbar itself, this is where it sits on the ground, just so you know. You can see that it's got a couple of rubber feet here and some rubber feet here, so it won't scratch the furniture. Well, that's good to know. I like that. And back here looks like a subwoofer channel, so you get probably the bass comes out of the back here. Okay, so that's where you get your treble from, your bass and so forth. Here are the mounting holes for the bracket right here. That's for the mounting bracket. Here is a port that I think this is a service port. It says, yeah, so that's for service if they have to get into the system and check it. And so it does have a auxiliary, optical in cable, a coax cable, and the power cord. So it does not have an HDMI cable at all, so you have to do everything through the optical cable. And I'll hook that up. I'll show you how to hook up to the optical cable. It's really simple, really easy to do. Not to be afraid of that whatsoever. So the biggest concern I have about this is it going to be compatible and work with the remote control with my Samsung. So I don't really want to use two remotes. I don't like that. So I'm just wondering with the system here with Samsung, you can just I know you can redirect and set up the Samsung, and I'll show you that too as well in the video, and how to set that up in your control system and how to change that setting. It's not that difficult, but if you don't know how to do it, I guess it can be difficult. So here the optical cable here, you can see here it does have a shield on it. So you always take off the shield. You basically just press it in, and when you press it in, it makes the connection. I'll show you that. Let's see. Okay, so it has a channel, and it fits the channel exactly, and you just push it in. All you gotta do, basically it's using light transmit information. So that is in. So you just push it in. That's all you have to do. So once that's in, you just push it in. It pushes the spring-loaded cover out of the way, and then connects optically. Yeah, and then it plugs into the back of the TV exactly. And you just push it right in. You don't have to take anything off. No caps, nothing. You just take off this cap here and you push it right into the connection. And it's basically driven by the light. That's pretty much how that works. So I'm going to continue hooking this up to my TV. We're going to see how it sounds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate your time as always. I'll leave some links down below, like I said, for some BOSE products. I'm not sure if this one is available online. If you don't have a Costco membership, you can just check out the link down below. Some other BOSE sound bars. There's so many really cool bars out there, and this is actually for under $200. I think it's a great deal. All right, so let's hook this up and let's see how it sounds. Okay, guys, so you can see here I have the BOSE system set up in the back of the TV. You can see it just hanging in the back, which is kind of cool. Here's the optical cable here, and here is the connection. So all you have to do basically is just push it in to make the connection. It's really, really just that easy. So let's just get this lined up and just push it in hand, but I'm just trying to give you an idea how really easy it is. And once you get it in here, you just push it in just like that. See that? That's all you gotta do. You just push it in, it'll move the thing out of the way, the connection, and that's all you have to do. And that pushes that right in. That's really good. Let's make sure you power that back on. Okay, and now we go to settings. There's a settings button on your remote. Okay, press the settings button. And you can see the different options here. So you want to go to sound. You can see sound, right? And then you go over to the right, output. Then you see optical. Scroll down to optical, as you can see there. Then you press, that's basically select, hit the center button to select, and go over and hit close and close. So that is all set. Now it's all set for sound. You can see that says optical, and that is ready to go for that. Okay, so let's exit out of here. And let's go out of here. And let's see if we can get some sound out of it. Okay, guys, so just so you know, you do need to use the remote control to control the sound bar with the Samsung TV, just so you know. So if you were wondering, yes, you do need to use the remote control. It is a bummer. I'm going to try it out and see if I like the going the back and forth thing. I'm not sure if I will or not, but we'll see. I know you can get a universal controller to control both, but let's just see how that works. But let's just see how it sounds. That's what we're here to find out. So let's just crank this up here. Here's a movie playing. Okay, guys, so just so you know, so how to control the bass, basically you press the bass button on the BOSE remote control, and then you can press up or down. So you just press that button, and then you can see it lights up, and then you can press up, and you can see the lights moving back and forth. So all the way to the left is less bass, and all the way to the right is the most bass, and you can see that. So you can see as you go up, it takes it to the right, and then as you go down, takes it to the left, which is less bass, and then when you're done, hit the bass button again, and takes you back into the audio settings. So that's how that kind of works. So hopefully that helps you out quite a bit, and hopefully I can sneak it a little bit of... So the sound is really, really clean. You can boost it all the way up to 100%, and it's super, super clean. Does not distort whatsoever. It sounds really, really good. Again, the only drawback I do see is using the second remote. So that is the problem. I think it's kind of a bummer, but that's just how it works. So that's it. All right, so it sounds good. It looks good. You can see that it looks really, really good. I like the way it sits under the TV. It sounds really good as well. Really, really clean. Gives a nice, develops the whole room. It's not a huge room. It's just like a 12 by 15 room. It's just the right size for a small room or a den. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the review and unboxing of this awesome BOSE soundbar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out quite a bit and helps support my channel. And I'll leave a link down below. If you're interested in any kind of BOSE product, you can definitely pick up yours. This is hooked up to a 55-inch Samsung TV, which works really, really well, and I love that as well. I'll leave a link down below for that as well. All right, guys, I appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.